Welcome back at Cryptofly channel. Today I would like to show you just simple tutorial how to trade on Aster DEX platform. Let's dive in. Guys, Aster network, the platform looks absolutely identical like many other DEXs, like DEX, for example, or Hyperliquid. So everything pretty simple, and you have to understand you not create accounts like on a main centralized exchanges with your email, with KYC. There is a DEX, decentralized platform where you can trade spot positions and futures. Just sign in with your wallet. So connect the wallet. I use basically the extension OKX. Connect the wallet. You can connect with email also, but I recommend you to connect via wallet. Some Wallet Connect, Binance Wallet, Phantom, OKX wallet. So we connect with OKX wallet, connect, and the Aster will send you the request to confirm and verify your wallet. We sign in. You can deposit some of money to trade futures. You can withdraw. For example, if you made a profit, you can withdraw for the platform, and you can transfer between the spot account and the futures account, and you can disconnect your wallet. In settings, everything pretty simple. You can add any settings, whatever you want, so language, notification, time. It's multi-chain platform for trades. You can trade BNB, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana. Today, I would like to show you an example on Arbitrum. Just to be honest, I don't know who the main liquidity provider for the spot. You can buy even the spot to your wallet position, for example. So let's focus on trade with the leverages. You need to deposit from your wallet to the platform. So you choose the chain and choose deposit. For example, let's deposit 10 USDT on Arbitrum chain to my futures account. And of course, it's showing me like it took 5-10 minutes. I hope it will be faster. Approve USDT and press confirm. One deposit in progress. When deposit is landed to your account, you will see the available USDT for trades. While we're waiting the deposit landed to account, we can double check. So this is just a basic terminal from TradingView, and here you can choose the trading pair. For example, let's trade algo. Like you can see, not all trading pairs still available on this platform. Also, here's the volume on that platform. It's really important because I recommend you to choose the high liquid trading pairs to not get a big spread and the slippage between the trades. So Gala Games is only 6K volume. For BTC, 3.8 billion. And this number is showing us the maximum leverage what we can use and open trade on this specific trading pair. XRP. This is a chart, just a basic chart. You can choose the time frames here and open position on that time frames. You can close the settings. And of course, everything looks absolutely identical like on TradingView. This is your order book. This is open trades in real time. By the way, the DEX platform, so you can track everything transparently on chain. So that's the difference between the DEX platform and the centralized exchanges. All orders you can track in even the wallets. So that's the point, because you can go to view and explore and double check all orders in real time. This is the open interest in USDT. This is 24-hour volume. This is funding countdown. Keep in mind, if you hold that position, you will pay the funding every single 8 hours. While we're still waiting the deposit in real time, Arbitrum USDT, before open trade, of course, we can go to smaller time frames, mark the levels, mark the stop losses, your levels before open trades, and choose between the cross margin and isolated margin. So I'll recommend you to not waste the time. In this video, I'll recommend you go and check big video what the difference between the cross and isolated margin. For beginners and for even experienced users, I personally recommend you use the isolated margin because of the you remember October 10, when the market crashed down and people who trade with the cross margin, when all your balance is your margin, to cover the losses. The people lost a lot of money with, for example, manipulation like on Atom, which the token dumped to 1 cent on the Binance. And the people who use the cross margin, they lost everything, because on isolated margin, you open trade with only that amount of money what you decide to open. And you can, with liquidation, lose only that amount of money. With the cross margin, you can open trade for $100, but if on your balance, like 1,000 or 10,000 more, and we see that drop opposite way your trade, you can lose all your money. That's why I recommend you choose the isolated. All right, connect, need to confirm, isolated, confirm. Margin mode has been to isolated mode. All right. Fun moment, but we're still waiting the progress deposit in the Arbitrum. That's maybe the problem of DEXs. So on the DEXs, we get some benefits. Oh, finally, deposit successfully, view deposit. You can see the difference between the centralized and the decentralized exchanges. On the centralized exchange, you can, with the P2P or just the deposit almost immediately the funds and start trade. Here on maybe just on Arbitrum, need to wait 5 or 10 minutes just to deposit your money to the platform. So we choose the isolated margin, choose the leverage. What's the leverage? I want to open trade to $200. That's why I can use 20x leverage. So it's multiply 20x my initial deposit. I recommend you to not gamble with a big amount of money, or if you have some big amount, right, you can just reduce the leverage. But in my case, it's okay. Let's say like 10 leverage. I confirm. This is a single asset modes or multi-asset modes. So I recommend you use the only support the USDT, margin for trade contracts. So this one. So I'm not change anything here. You can open trade with a market order, with a limit order, with a stop limit order. About all of these orders, I already made a totally different video. So link will be on the description below. And here we can choose by market. And for example, with this current price, we can open the trade. So let's zoom in and take a look. So for example, we can add the stop loss $1.8447 and take profit $1.8619. So I use the size. I can adjust my take profit. Here you can add the price $1.8618, for example, and it's showing me the buy P&L will be the 59 cents. All right, let's adjust 87. All right, stop loss $1. Oh, once again, it's a P&L. So you can adjust by P&L. So you can just type, for example, I'm ready to lose like $3. So your sell trigger will be $1.90. So let's say I would like to add the stop loss by price, $1.84. 84 will be my stop loss. And I can choose buy long or sell short position. I press buy long. Confirm, don't show it again. So I'm in position. So with what we can see here in positions. So this is our entry, and this is XRP by 10x. Size of XRP 58 coins, entry price $1.85, mark price almost the same. Margin, I use isolated margin $10.79, liquidation price. So liquidation mean if the price will go down to $1.70, all my position will be liquidated and I lose all my $10. This is the P&L in percentage, 0.70%, 8 cents. Profit, take profit, $1.87, around here, this one, and $1.84, it's my stop loss. I can add more to my position. And if I would like to fix the profit and open the immediately trade reverse, for example, after take profit, I can press reverse and I will open the same position, but in opposite way. And I can close my position by market or by limit orders. If I click by market, immediately my position will be closed. And if I would like to press by limit, I can close my position with some portion by percentage. For example, I'm in profit and I would like to add my stop loss to the break even. I can fix the 50% of my profit and adjust the stop loss to the break even. So here, for example, I confirm, order submitted. So at $1.85.11, my position will be closed 50%. In open orders, you can find all your positions. So this is a stop market order, take profit order, and limit order to sell $1.8521. I hope we will see that limit order in play in real time here. $1.8521. It could be filled. Limit sell order filled. So like you can see, refresh the page. So we add a condition. At $1.85, we filled the 50% of our position. And now I can press sell by market and we can close by market immediately or choose by some limit order if you would like to, but I would like to close all position. Press confirm. Done. So this is a way how you can trade. After that, you can open the order history, all your orders, trade history, transaction history, deposit, withdrawals, and all assets, on your account. Now let's withdraw our money, for example, from our account, futures account, Arbitrum chain to the wallet back. From futures account, Arbitrum, 10 USDT, withdrawal maximum amount, for example, and I will pay the 0.5 USDT fee. Press withdrawal. You have one withdrawal in progress. So like you can see the balance 0 and all our profits go to directly our wallet. When you finish trade, you just simply press disconnect your wallet and that's it. No KYC, everything totally transparently, anonymously, nobody know this is your account. Guys, I highly recommend you at least try on a DEXs, because I guess in the next few years, DEXs will be like a next trend in the crypto. I hope you like this video, subscribe channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.